If you are struggling with mixing and mastering, try this easy volume balance technique and get way better results. First, we need to gain stage our mix. Is, for example, the bass too loud compared to your kick drum? Just lower the volume of your bass. Is the snare drum hitting too hard compared to the other drums? Just lower the volume of the snare. Do this volume balance for all individual channels of your track, and 60% of your mix is already done without touching any EQ or compressor. Secondly, we need to understand that EQing is just boosting or cutting volume in a specific frequency range. If we, for example, cut frequencies at 250 Hz, we reduce volume. If we boost frequencies, for example at 3K, we add volume. Third, we need to understand that regular downward compression is just an audio processing technique to reduce the volume of the loudest parts of our track, and upward compression is just a processing technique to increase the volume of the quietest parts of our track, and again, we are just processing volume. We also need to understand that panning is just balancing the volume between the left and right channel of a stereo signal. If I, for example, pan to the left, I reduce the volume on the right channel. When I pan to the right, I reduce the volume on the left channel. So now 80% of the mix is done and we are just balancing volume. Only as a last step, we add color and dimension to our mix by using plugins like saturation, reverb and delay. Keep in mind that about 80% of the mixing process is just controlling and balancing volume. So when we focus on the basic things like controlling and balancing the volume by using compression, EQing, panning and gain staging, we will have a really great and solid mix. The idea behind the video is to show you that you can already get great results when you focus on the volume and the basic mixing techniques, and that you need a solid mix first before you can add toppings like color and dimension.